Far from the hustle of Mumbai city, there is a place where clouds descend from heaven in a hill station in the Western Ghat mountains of Maharashtra named Igatpuri. This quiet hill station is an impeccable getaway for natural heavenly surroundings. The lush greenery, the humble waterfalls, is surrounded by high mountain valleys which makes it the perfect holiday spot and offers splendid scenic views. Our Naisa Ghosh Villa property has 3 spacious bedrooms with attached bathrooms, a big living room with an open terrace that serves a breathtaking view, plush with amenities like smart TVs in every room, Netflix and cable, Wi-Fi internet, air conditioners, family lounge pool, a barbecue corner along with driver or helper quarters. We also have relaxation areas for our guests, children play area with swing, seesaw, slide and dollhouse. The orchard garden with many kinds of fruits and flowers are ready to welcome our guests warmly. Naisa Ghosh Villa guarantees an all-round experience where you can relax into a private refuge with your family or party with your friends. Whatever you choose, this is an ultimate place for relaxation, recreation and rejuvenation. Welcome to an experience of a lifetime in Naisa Villas and Homestays. Welcome to Naisa Ghosh Villa, Igatpuri.